your kids. You know they ain't never done nothing that we never did. But I'm missing a part. Then it goes like this. They know what it means to be brothers. They got what it takes to get by. They learn how to depend on each other. Never took it any more than what it took, and I don't know the word I'm gonna have to make it be there so they could survive. We can lay down our heads now. It's been a job well done. It's been a lot of hard times, but so much fun. And they're growing up fine. We can be proud of ourselves. They're all growing up fine. We can be proud of ourselves. They're all growing up fine. We can be proud of ourselves. 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 Quite lovely.
Yay.
See, was
Damn, that was pretty.
hard?